Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Rabbit Ear TV Antenna 2025 Upgraded. An indoor HD TV digital antenna designed to give you free access to local channels in stunning 4K and 1080p resolution. If you're tired of paying for cable or streaming services, this antenna promises a simple and cost-effective solution to cut the cord. Out of the box, the Rabbit Ear TV antenna is compact and lightweight, measuring just over 4.5 inches in height. Its small size means it won't clutter your space, and it can easily blend into any room. The design is minimalistic, with a white finish that can discreetly sit on a windowsill, behind your TV, or even attached to a metal surface with the included suction cup and double-sided adhesive. Despite its small footprint, the antenna is designed to provide strong reception and a full 360-degree signal range. Setup is straightforward, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Simply connect the antenna to a smart TV or a digital converter box, scan for channels, and you're ready to watch. The process takes less than 2 minutes and requires no complicated wiring or professional installation. For those looking for versatility, this antenna can be used indoors and outdoors, making it ideal for apartments, houses, or even on the go in a car. One of the standout features is its long-range reception capability. Thanks to advanced signal capture technology, the Rabbit Ear TV antenna can pull in channels even when you're far from broadcast towers, providing clear picture quality with minimal interference. It supports VHF and UHF channels, ensuring you get access to a wide variety of local programming including news, sports, and entertainment. The antenna also comes with a premium coaxial cable, further enhancing the signal quality and providing a reliable connection. Its build is sturdy and durable, despite the compact design, making it a reliable solution for digital TV reception. With no monthly fees, subscriptions, or contracts, this antenna offers a simple way to enjoy local channels in high definition without breaking the bank. Overall, the Rabbit Ear TV Antenna 2025 Upgraded is a small but powerful device that delivers impressive signal quality and easy setup. Whether you're cutting the cord for the first time or looking for a compact replacement for an older antenna, this model is worth considering for anyone who wants free, high-definition access to local channels. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in more honest reviews and product breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.